Good morning, everyone. Today is August 20th, 2024. It is 7:14 here in Las Vegas, and I just got into this trade. You can see, what did I get? 283. Now, I'm trading 50 contracts, and I know that is not the typical. Let me just put a $100 stop in here in case it goes against me while I'm talking. I want to stay focused and not lose anything on the trade. But the reason why I am not in a 10 contract trade is because I'm trading my account for me. I practice what I teach. I trade this every single day. Okay. And what I want to show you here is that once you get to a certain level, which is not too far down the road from the day you start, you will be trading 20, 40, 50, 100 contracts, and the money starts to pile up quickly, provided you do things right. And speaking of doing things right, I'm going to plug in a $2,100 profit target. I rarely put a profit target in. I let the trade develop. I don't let greed take over. I don't let fear take over. I look at my indicators to tell me when I should consider getting out, or price action, which is something that you will pay more attention to when you're trading multiple contracts. But you can see I've got my arrow, my ellipse, right on the close button. So if we don't tick up over 2,100 and I don't get filled and it starts to come back down, I'll just click that button and take what the market gives me. Okay, I don't expect to make a certain amount of money with every trade. I expect to take the money, trying to say this succinctly, I expect to take the money that the market gives me when I'm in the trade, if that makes any sense. You know, you don't let greed get involved. So come on, a couple more ticks and we're out. And we can talk about this. Otherwise, if the price starts coming down, I will just punch out. Again, take what the market gives me and wait for the next setup. But the number one rule here is you never let a winner turn into a loser. And you always want to increase your trading account. You want to build up your stop loss bank. And I'll talk about that in the webinar in a little bit. All right, it looks like we're a little dicey. If it starts to drop a little bit, I'm going to click the button. All right, I'm going to click it. I'm out. Okay, there you go. Quick decision. Price is starting to drop. I'm out. I'll talk with you shortly.